Hogan, we coming for you, nigga.
This episode is brought to you by FairDesk, a crypto derivatives trading platform founded by 6 former Binance execs and 3 former Morgan Stanley architects. FairDesk is a company focused on building a platform that enables traders to profit from both rising and falling markets. Sign up today and CB will credit you up to $600 in trading funds. For more information, visit fairdesk.com, link in the description below.
Double from stacking Toshis, yeah, this my two Satoshis. This my two Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest from stacking Toshis.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing it live. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis with yours truly, Crypto Blood. Let's take off a couple shots before we get started. I hope everyone's doing well today. I saw some 248 people in the building. Drop your area code right now because I'm getting a lot of love from the glove. That's where CB resides right now. So I'm getting a lot of people starting to come in from Michigan. Listen, all my YouTube people, all my viewers are in Michigan or close. Let your friends and family know that you got somebody here in the city that's representing crypto and giving the real good news, not no 10,000x Pepe meme coin. No, I'm not doing none of that. I'm not doing that. Not saying you can't make money doing that. But 9 times out of 10, they're just basically playing on your emotions. You know, they're looking for clicks and for views. And hey, it does its job for sure. But I'm here to give you something a little bit deeper that you can really run home with and execute in your investment strategy for the crypto space. All right. You stream perfect time. All right, sounds good. That's for sure. I'm still looking to do, and this is what Provost is saying, still waiting on that meetup. The meetup is coming because what I want to do, and I was polling the live chat, I think last live stream, I'm trying to do something where I have Rice TVX come up. All right, we do it somewhere in the city, live, my two Satoshis, all right, live. We'll have a special guest. Just trying to see if you guys are interested in that because if you are, we'll definitely set that up soon in the next 90 days, hopefully. And then we'll go do my city, then we'll go down to North Carolina and do there. All right, that sounds good. But again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to another show. Do me that one favor, though, before we get going. 21 people in the building. I need you to go ahead and scroll up and smack that thumbs up, guys. Please subscribe, too. I need you to subscribe to the channel because I'm seeing a lot of new faces, I should say, in the place. So please subscribe if you guys haven't and click that bell to be notified of the videos that I drop because a lot of people, I've got like 20 something thousand people. Most people don't see my alerts. Before we get started really quickly, FairDesk is my partner for cryptocurrency trading. I got a deal with them, Bloodalytics and FairDesk. Now, you don't have to sign up for Bloodalytics to take advantage of this. But I just want to let you guys know we are changing the bonus reward schedule. Now we're talking $65,000 in deposit rewards. And we've switched it up now. So you don't need as much to deposit. $150K to get $65,000 in deposit rewards. And those rewards essentially go against your losses. It takes 60% of your losses and goes against your trading fees. So definitely click that link in the description below. You'll see this landing page. If you're interested, sign up and take advantage of that. We also have, if you do $1,000, and this is the threshold for you to receive 50% off the Bloodalytics system. But if you deposit $1,000, you will get $50 in deposit rewards. All right. So it goes all the way up to $65,000. But everyone pretty much can gain something from this program. All right, link in the description below. And again, if you are looking to have your trades automated on FairDesk, check me out, bloodalytics.com, link in the description below. And if you deposit at least that $1,000, send me your UID number. I will generate a 50% off promo code for the 6-month and 12-month subscriptions for Bloodalytics. So it's a great deal. And we've got all the kinks worked out. And we're starting to definitely move up in our account balances since making those adjustments and getting everything locked and loaded. It was my first time setting up with the help of Chat GPT because I'm a programmer, but I've never really programmed in Python, never set up anything in that nature. I'm really kind of a front end developer, CSS, PHP, some back end stuff. Which, by the way, PHP is like I think the language most used on the web right now. It's like 70% of websites and applications are PHP, which was interesting. I didn't know that. I learned that maybe about a year ago. But yeah, guys, check it out. Kenton Smith is a member. He'll tell you about it. We definitely get into the swing of things and getting back to those games. First, today's word of the day is Sinocore. Sinocore. I've never heard of this word. Have you guys? Let me know if you have. It's basically a position requiring little or no work, but giving the holder status and financial benefit. Oh, I wonder who that sounds like. Last name starts with a B. Father is Sleepy. We know who we're talking about. He definitely had a Sinocore situation going on over there with Burisma and Ukraine. I'm just saying. So let's see if you guys can put that into context in today's episode. I don't know if you guys saw my 2 cents video I did maybe about 2 days ago. Go check that out if you missed it. It was all about, what is it, First Republic Bank. Done data. JP Morgan acquires it, making the JP Morgan that much bigger. And I don't think it's going to stop here. It is not going to stop here. This is just the tip of the iceberg. And so we'll see how things pan out. Very telling how Bitcoin has reacted to this, though. But essentially, guys, Bitcoin is a risk-on asset. Okay. I think Bitcoin will have its day. Cryptos will have its day again. It will be the most outperforming, best performing, I should say, asset class in the last 10 years. Okay. So I'm not saying don't get into crypto. I'm just letting you guys know I would not be putting all my dry powder in at these levels because I see lower lows coming in for us. Okay. If I zoom out, you know who's down there at $12,600 Bitcoin, our buddy Elmo. Round of applause for Elmo, holding it down there in Hades. He's just waiting for Lucifer to take him. I'm hoping that we hold 12,600. That is my best case. That's what I think is going to happen. I don't think we're heading lower than 12,600. Crypto, bull markets start with Bitcoin. Round of applause for Bitcoin. So you're going to see the big dog make the move first. Then the altcoins will go crazy. All right. That is typically or how a new bear market has always started in crypto thus far. Does that mean it's going to be that way forever? No, not at all. Not at all. But at least we do have some history to go off of. Okay. It doesn't repeat, but it does kind of rhyme. History does. All right. So we have, again, 2,790% ROI. Congratulations to all you guys. Please take some profit. So the new meme coin has no relation to furry and is not its initiative. That's interesting because, again, you guys might not know this, might be a little new to the game, but Crypto Blood has been in the space for 10 years at this point now. And I remember when there was a Kanye coin back in 2013-14. Shout out to those who were around then. But yes, Kanye had a coin and it wasn't his coin, though. And guess what Kanye's lawyers did back then? They actually sued the creator of the Kanye coin. Anyone remember this? Shout out to all those who remember the Kanye coin. I never even bought any. But yeah, they shut that down because they were using his brand, his image, his likeness for a cryptocurrency. So they were successful at stopping the Kanye coin. Could that happen today? Probably not. This market is much more decentralized. Meme coins are, can be rolled out anonymously, more anonymous than they were before. I don't think if this were to happen today, he would be able to stop it. I really don't, But I say all that to say, I'm wondering if at some point the creators of Pepe will kind of go at the meme coin token creator, because they're not the same people. So that's something that I just wanted to highlight and keep in your mind as a potential issue in the future. It might not be. The creator might not care. And 9 times out of 10, he probably won't care. But just something to think about. So are you guys buying Pepe? I'm not. I missed the boat. Let me just tell you, you're going to get your day. You're going to get your day. Be patient. Dollar cost averages in Litecoin. I'm telling you. This is from an OG. Get you some Litecoin. It will shock a lot of people in the next 5 years, I think. Pepe, if this is going to continue, or is the run over? I ain't touching it with a 10-foot pole. I'm just not. Some new data from the NFT world. I told you guys that I thought NFTs were done, at least the PFP ones, profile pic type of NFTs. Those are your Bored Ape yachts. Those are your mutant apes, and all of those that really don't have too much utility. They try to make some utility around it. CryptoPunks, another OG one, but I'm staying away from them. I think that wave is completely done. And there's new data. I thought we were at a low and would start building at least a base, because we dropped like 90-something% off of the highs in the NFT PFP game. But new data has come in showing that we've made even newer lows. According to data from blockchain analytics firm Into the Block, only 6 of the top 20 collections by market capitalization recorded increased trading volumes over the past 30 days. Remaining collections experienced, listen to this, a significant decrease ranging from 20% all the way down to 99%. Oh, Lord. The trading volume for the popular NFT collection CryptoPunks, which is the second largest by market cap, plunged 60% within the past month. Other top digital collectibles such as Mutant Ape, Other D, Moonbirds, and Doodles also tanked 20, 53, and 73%, or I should say 73 and 63% respectively. Yikes. So you're looking at a 50% reduction on Other D. That's crazy. However, Bored Ape Yacht didn't do too bad. They're the largest out there, and they saw a 24% increase in trading volume. Yeah, again, I'm just not. I would rather you allocate your funds to literally a meme coin at this point. If you had to just go degen, it would not be in the NFT space. I think it is done data. I did a video about how Meta is doing a full pivot on NFTs and the metaverse. It's pretty embarrassing because they've changed their whole brand identity to Meta, and now they're not even focusing on that. Now they're focused on AI. Maybe they should rename themselves to AI now and just act like they'll own all of AI by changing their name. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about that. Cryptocurrency transfers coming to Venmo users in May. So Venmo has already allowed users. I don't use Venmo, but those who do know that you have been able to purchase crypto and sell it on Venmo since 2000, I think 21, if I'm not mistaken. But now you're going to be able to actually move coins off of their platform. So truly own your cryptocurrencies. All right. So it is owned by PayPal. If you didn't know that, announced that in the coming weeks, it will enable a new feature allowing users to transfer cryptocurrencies on and off the platform. This move is seen as a part of Venmo's continuous effort to cater to the growing demand for crypto-based services among its users. So they actually started in 2020. Let me see. When did they start offering this? I can't remember. I think it was 21, but I'm not seeing it here at this juncture. But yeah, man, I guess that's good news. I wouldn't mess with it. I'm just saying, I wouldn't mess with it. Gemini warns Barry Silbert Digital Currency Group of a $630 million default risk. So they're still into it, guys. This is starting to heat up even more. Gemini, Genesis, and its parent company, Digital Currency Group, as well as creditor committees, agreed to initiate a 30-day mediation process to drive to a final resolution as soon as possible. I don't see this being resolved in 30 days. Let's just face it. DCG ain't got 630 million. It goes on to say, for earn users, Gemini said 2 important dates you need to keep in mind here, guys. If any of you are wrapped up in the earn program, I do have a few people I know personally that have money locked up in there. So you need to pay attention to May 8th or May 9th and May 11th. All right. Mark those on your calendars, May 9th and May 11th. The period during which DCG is expected to pay the Genesis bankruptcy estate a sum of $630 million. It ain't gonna happen. I'm sorry. Let me know if you think they're gonna pay. Drop me a 1 if you think DCG will pay the 630. Drop me a 2 if you think they ain't got it. Love to hear your feedback on that. This is hilarious. He does got it. Justin's son calls $56 million token transfer to Binance and quote unquote oversight. So this guy was trying to get over there on some sneaky link stuff and start farming from a launch pool of the Sui coin. And CZ called him out. So CZ took to Twitter this morning after news broke that Sun had transferred $56 million to the exchange, warning him that Binance would quote unquote take action against it if Sun then uses the funds to acquire Sui tokens on the launch pool. This is why I like CZ. And I think this is why they hate CZ, the powers that be, that is. CZ went on to explain that Binance's launch pools are intended for retail users, individual investors, as opposed to institutions, and not just for a few whales. So he kind of chin checked them there. Shout out to CZ for that. So yeah, your guy Justin's son at it again, making up excuses. He said something about it was a mistake. Then he blamed it on team members. Couldn't even, cowardly, he couldn't even take ownership of it. He had to blame it on team members when he knows it was probably him. At least he probably gave the okay to do it. So it, at the end of the day, falls on him, not your team members. They're just probably executing it. Never trust Justin's son. So CZ doing his thing by catching sneaky links, Justin's son, trying to move some money over there to exploit this new coin. Man, when is enough money enough? I just don't know. Let's get to the main topic for today, though, ladies and gents. Make sure you take this time really quickly before we get into the nitty gritty. You go on ahead and smack that like button for me now. Curly, go ahead and curly it. Curly and Mo. Hit it up. Hit it up. Greatly appreciate it. Let's look at this one out of Decrypt Media as well. Why everyone is keeping a close eye on Mt. Gox. So there's one blockchain, if you want to call it, analytic company came out and said that, some funds were on the move, guys. I don't know. Let's see what they have to say. So it looks like Akram, a blockchain analytic firm, said that wallets linked to the defunct crypto exchange, Mt. Gox, and the U.S. government had moved large amounts of Bitcoin. So it turned out to be false alarm for the Mt. Gox side of things, guys. But they did say that they believe that some of the government funds from those wallets were on the move. It said here, but it led some to believe that the dip in price came because the government started dumping large amounts of Bitcoin into the market. On Thursday, last Thursday, that is, another blockchain analytic firm, Glassnode, said that the American government and the Mt. Gox trustee held 250,000 and 137,000, almost 138,000 Bitcoins, respectively. Get this, a combined $10 billion. Woo! And advise investors to keep an eye out on the funds. This is a significant amount. This is definitely a significant amount of Bitcoin to hit the markets. Now, I don't think that we really have to worry about the government ones right away, because I think those are going to be sold over the counter institutionally, okay, at some nice seductive price, right? Only the powers that be, only the 1%ers will be able to participate in that auction. But I don't think those will be really something that anyone participating in the government's auction to buy the stash that they have, those are long-term players. They're not buying to then turn around and sell in the markets. So I'm not concerned about that. I would be more concerned about when the Mt. Gox stash starts hitting the markets, because those are going directly to those people who were owed those Bitcoins, and who knows what and how they're going to get rid of their stash. They may not liquidate all of it, but they're going to sell some of it, and most likely won't be over the counter. It will be with whatever exchange they're currently trading with. So you're going to see, I think, a bigger impact from the Mt. Gox funds than you are from the government funds. Okay. That's just my 2 Satoshis on that. But 10 billion, that is a lot. And this is even crazier, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. This really upsets me. I'm just going to put it to you that way. Look at this. So according to our data, the U.S. government and Mt. Gox trustee hold $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. But look at this chart from Glassnode. This is crazy. Look, U.S. government balance. So the yellow that you see is the amount of Bitcoin they hold. Why the hell has this been going up ever since January of 2022? Interesting, huh? I'm not trying to put a tinfoil hat on, but I'm just saying it's been heading higher since 2022. Okay, and you see the little dip that happened right here around March of this year. I talked about this. They sold a little slice of their stash. But what's going to happen is, in my opinion, they're going to sell into strength, at least sell to those individuals and institutions that are buying from them. But I don't think those institutions that buy from the government are going to sell anytime soon. So you don't have to worry about that. My concern is that why the hell is the U.S. government the largest holder of Bitcoin? Now, do we have a problem or do we not have a problem? You guys got to help me out. I'm just saying. Is this an issue to you? You know, what happened to Bitcoin being for the people? And we're looking at it now. The government owns most of the Bitcoin in circulation. That to me is a old okie dokie, banana in the tailpipe situation for me. I'm just saying. A little weird. Let's look at Mt. Gox trustee balance. To the contrary, it's been slowly going lower. I don't know how, but we are now flatlined and have been since July or January, I should say, of 2018. But this is the supply that you should be worried about and you should be keeping your eyes on. And I'm definitely going to continue to report on it. So, you know, come back to CBTV whenever you see headlines about Mt. Gox. I'll be right on it for sure. U.S. government stole most, though, through SEC. Exactly. Steal every coin commission. You guys already know. I coined it. Steal every coin commission. Their whole plan is to looking to offload all of this Bitcoin by 2024, which again, if you slice and peel back that onion, you would think they would not sell. If they felt that Bitcoin's prices were going higher, why would they sell now? If Bitcoin was going to $1 million, why would you sell now? Well, they think they're going to be able to attack Bitcoin in the crypto markets. They're already doing this, but even more so to where the price is going to be suppressed big time. Okay. And I think they will get this knocked down some more, but they can't keep it down. This, unlike gold and silver, which is traded in one centralized market, the COMEX, right? There's not a ring-fenced operation where Bitcoin can only be traded on one exchange. Bitcoin is decentralized and cryptocurrencies are decentralized in that nature. Even if they ban most cryptos in the United States, they still can't suppress the price discovery from the thousands of exchanges out there around the world. So that is the good news. That is the silver lining in all of this, in my opinion. What's this I gonna meet up where? Yeah, I'm gonna post it on Meetup. It'll be on Meetup. We're gonna do one in Detroit, and we're gonna do one in North Carolina. We'll give you guys details, and then if things are successful from these meetups, we'll try to have special guests there as well. We will move these to other cities near you. We want to do a whole U.S. tour and just meet up with people in real life. That's what it's all about, ladies. Round of applause for that. But that is pretty much it, guys. I appreciate your attention for sure. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. That's my 2 Satoshis. I'm out of here. Holla.
My 2 Satoshis, this my 2 Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest. I'm stacking Toshis, yeah. That's where you need to get the real news at. Stop messing with them lames out there. CBTV. Let me out of here. Holla.
Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.